Hello, I'm Melissa Wu from Maxcel West Coast Realty. Today, I want to talk about open house promotion. Open house promotion should be done as early as possible and as much as possible. You can start by creating posters and post it on your personal website, your social media platform, and all the marketing that you have as early as possible so you can generate as many people to come into your open house as possible. What I normally do is, of course, put it on the MLS, put up riders on the open house, and also start to tell everybody that you think may be interested in coming to see your open house. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us, share us on your social media. Thank you.